This is day 183, and today we are looking at how to add bullet points the correct way. So you can see here I have bullet points in my data, and here there is no bullet point. So often people try to add bullet points incorrectly in Excel by using a minus sign. So what they do is they put a quote, an opening quote, to just show that it's text, and they put a dash type and whatever the bullet they want to add. Yes, it kind of works, but that's not the correct way of adding bullets because it's too much admin. If you want to add another point, you have to again add that same thingy and then add your point here. But if you look here on this side here, I can add any point without first putting anything. So this formatting is just coming because I have added the formatting already. So if you know that the workbook we are working with is something that you want to constantly or consistently add bullet points, then you might consider to do it the right way using the format or the custom format option. So how do you do that? So to add bullet points, let me first just remove these points which I have here. So you go to General, under Formatting, and you go to Custom. So I only want to add my formatting only from row number 3 going downward. So wherever you want to format, you just select that whole area. Then you go to General, Custom Formatting. Then under here, you just take off the 0 and you put the formatting that you want to use. So in my case, I want to add this dot here and general format. So you just paste this. You'll see it in the description to my video. You can just copy it and paste it in your Excel document. Then you say okay. Then you can see now it's a bullet point now. Note here that I didn't add anything. So as I will be typing, I can just add new point and it will automatically have the bullet points. So this is how you can add a bullet point in your Excel document. If you have enjoyed my video, don't forget to hit like button and also subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. Bye bye.